If you're wanting to know how to make an easy utility apron out of a men's button-down dress shirt, stay tuned to this video because I'm going to do it and this is how it's going to turn out. Hello everyone, it's Coral from ReMended and Revival. I'm so thrilled you have found me or you are returning back again. This is a channel here for new sewers, upcyclers, people who just need to be or want to be a little bit more creative in these crazy times that we're living in right now. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, click that button, click on notifications. It's free to you. It helps me grow my YouTube channel and puts a smile on my face every time I see that number click up one more. So thank you for doing that. Let's get started. Let's play around and see what this apron will end up looking like. So I think the first things we're gonna do is cut with some scissors, cut the sleeves off and cut the collar off. So that's step one. All right, we have the sleeves and the entire collar cut off of this men's shirt. I have them over here. And in the sun, boy, this fabric is really, really pretty. But this is what we have so far. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is work on the straps that are going to be in the back. And they're going to use the front of the men's shirt. So I'm gonna fold this over to the width that I want the straps to be. And then I will cut this side and do the same on this side, kind of match those, and then turn them right side out. I haven't ironed anything yet, but I have both of the straps. Now this is right side out that I'll stick on the back and they'll be crisscrossing. Oh my word, this is going to be really cute. This is gonna be cute. I'm really holding my breath because I don't want to ruin this. I think the next thing I'm going to do is cut along this seam right here to release the real front of the shirt, but it's going to be the back. I'm going to do that on that side and again cut here so I can work the neckline a little. Cut off this part of the sleeve to make into a pocket. This will be the top of the pocket and this will be the bottom. Here is my finished mock-up of the Japanese utility apron that I made out of a men's button-up long sleeve shirt. I absolutely love it. I'll be making more. I just wanted to give it my best shot here. I'll probably be changing some things around, but this is how it turned out. I added the I added the tag onto the pocket just for fun. Yeah, and added a couple more buttons here just to balance out the top of the others. This is what it looks like on the back.